Oriri thirikari iri mihango-ini ya gukinyaniria ciraniro iria yerire ya Kenya kahindi-ini ga thikũ 100 noguo atongoria amwe mari muhari-ini wa mbere hari kunyitanira na thirikari nene. Kuhitukira mwandiki mukaru MINISTRIINI ya UKINYANIRIA ELIUD OWALLO augite thirikari ya Daktari William Ruto ni harĩirie kurutithania wĩra na Atongoria Kuuma Nyanza.
State once more that we are ready and willing to work with the leadership of this region.
OWALLO ni ikitie ritana kuri atongoria aria macaguritwo undu umwe na aria matacaguritwo metikire kurutithania wĩra na thirikari nene na niguo gutwarithia bururi na mbere.
Those who are elected and those who are non-elected on the single agenda of economic development and empowerment of the people. Let us work together moving forward so that we can uplift the standards of living of the people.
Akiaria thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Nyasanda gicigo mbunge kia Ugunja agitongoria atongoria kuma thirikari-ini kuheana uteithio wa irio kuri family iria itehotete na makiria mahinda-ini maya bururi ugumirwo ni ng'aragu.
When the drought situation emerged, he did say that there is drought in all parts of the country. There is drought in all parts of the country. And he requested me to lead from the front by ensuring that we distribute food in all parts of Nyanza to those who are affected by the drought and the emerging famine. And that is what we have been doing. We have now covered almost all the constituencies in Nyanza. We are remaining with about 5 or 6.
Oho ni uritie atongoria wa wathani wa matura matigirege irio ni ciakinyira andu othe hatari kwenderera mundu o wothe na kwiranira thirikari ni gutacukia makinya mahiu ma kiwatho kuri andu aria matagirire.
This food is meant for the common mwananchi, and therefore I want to appeal to the provincial administration, the Ngao officers and the local leadership here, ensure that the food goes to the intended beneficiaries.
Oho ni uritie atongoria mabe mateaneri uteti na niguo kwamba kurutira Kenya wira.
The politics that we will do in this region is politics of the economy. When we come over here, we will be engaging the masses, discussing issues to do with the revitalization of the sugar industry, revitalization of the cotton sector, optimal exploitation of our fishing potential within the blue economy, issues to do with rice, issues to do with agro-processing industries, how to ensure that the revenues emanating from mining in places like Wagusu or Makalda in South Nyanza are plowed back to the common residents.
Uhoro uyu ukite thiku nini thutha wa gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo undu umwe na atongoria angi kuma mwena uyu kuuga ni mehariirie kurutithania wira na thirikari nene na niguo gukuria bururi na njira nene na gutwarithia tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere.
Tayari kufanya kazi na serikali kuu. Sisi kama serikali ya Siaya County tuko na haki na tuko tayari kufanya kazi na serikali kuu, ila tu hatutaki kuleta siasa kwa mambo ya maendeleo. Tunataka viongozi wa serikali kuu wakija hapa tufanye kazi vile imeelezwa katika kanuni za sheria.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.